Look at how she's sitting. Oh, we're back with another ride out. We're fucking doing all types of shenanigans. Do you guys like to see the long ride outs, or do you guys just want me to cut out like the cool scene and the cool shit, like the bikes, the cool bikes? I don't know, people doing wheelies and shit. Is that what you guys want to see, or long videos? I don't know, you guys let me know, because I'm just curious, you know. And yeah, thanks everybody for subscribing, man. I appreciate you guys. Hey man, let's jump into it. I must start doing a bunch of shit where like I just show throughout my week, going to concerts. I used to get a little crazier when I used to drink. I'll be going everywhere, man, like bars. I don't know, I just be in the most random spots, but yeah, I might start doing that. So let's have a good one, right? Yo, what up, dog? Alright, man, we made it to the meeting. Made it to the meeting. This guy's doing weird stuff. Hey, say hi to my YouTube channel. These random people are doing... Okay, online stuff. We're gonna keep recording. Life. This is life. So, yeah, we just met this random guy right there on this bike. We follow us here. Yes, sir. You already know. Hello. Yo. You got the teeth. Come on now. Yee. Damn, I like these two fucking CRFs. This shit looks raw. We got the spider webs. We got a goon dog outside. Yee! Look at this car, bro. It's just crazy seeing it on the right side. You already know the local. Alright, let's see what they got for us. Yo. So yeah, man, this part of the day was a little crazy, got a little hectic, because we actually lost half of the pack. As you can see right there, they're leaving. And the other half wasn't ready yet, so yeah, it's just we're trying to catch up. Okay, riders. So from here, the day just got pretty crazy, man. It got pretty wicked. Everything just started going sideways, man. One of the mini bike riders, the guy leading the pack, his bike kept breaking down. So I actually had to take over the ride out, and then from there it just got crazy, man. Later on, the narcs pulled up on us and just body slammed one of the riders, man, looking for drugs and guns. Like, that's fucked up. We're out here just enjoying the day, having a good time. You know, mini bikes are not a crime, man. What the fuck's going on here, man? Just, you know, you guys ride safe and have a good one out there. Just be safe and don't forget a helmet. Yo, that's Dollar General right there, right? This whole store. And look what burned down right next to it. What are the odds, right? It just burned down right next to Family Dollar.